Hello Kenta friends! In today's video, we'll be exploring 3 top photo retouching applications for Android devices. From advanced AI technology to versatile editing tools, these apps offer a range of features to enhance your photos. Let's dive in and see how these apps can take your photography skills to the next level. AI Retouch Remove Object. AI Retouch Remove Object is a powerful photo retouching application that utilizes cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI technology, remove unwanted objects from photos. This advanced technology allows users to seamlessly edit their photos with precision and speed, without the need for complex editing software. With AI Retouch Remove Object, users can easily erase distracting elements from their images, resulting in clean and flawless photographs. Whether you want to remove photobombers, unwanted signs, or any other undesired objects, this app offers a convenient and efficient solution for retouching your pictures. Retouch Remove Object Editor. Retouch Remove Object Editor is a versatile photo editing tool specifically designed for removing unwanted objects from images. This app provides users with a variety of editing features such as Retouch Pencil, Erase, and Clone Tool that enable them to enhance their photos with precision and creativity. Whether you need to erase an ex-partner from a picture, remove a stray object obstructing your main subject, or tidy up a background cluttered with distractions, Retouch Remove Object Editor offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you achieve your editing goals. With this app, users can easily retouch their photos and create visually stunning images. Snap Edit Retouch Object. Snap Edit Retouch Object is a user-friendly photo retouching application that allows users to effortlessly edit their photos on the go. This app comes equipped with a range of editing features, including Retouch Object, Add Filter, Adjust Brightness, and more, making it easy for users to enhance the quality of their images. Whether you want to retouch imperfections, add artistic filters, or make adjustments to the lighting and colors of your photos, Snap Edit Retouch Object offers a simple and intuitive platform for creative photo editing. With this app, users can transform their ordinary photos into stunning works of art. As we wrap up this video, we've discovered the power of AI technology in AI Retouch Remove Object, the precision editing tools in Retouch Remove Object Editor, and the user-friendly interface of Snap Edit Retouch Object. Thanks for watching.